guys, what is up? It's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing a closet clean out video. So in the springtime, usually for like spring cleaning, I do a closet clean out video. So I figured I'd be taking you guys with me today to clean out my closet. So we got the comfy clothes on, we're ready to do it. Run out of room in the closet at this point. I have clothes like sitting on my dresser that I can't hang up because I don't have hangers, and there's not a lot of room, and there's a lot of stuff in here that I don't necessarily wear. So I am going to be going through this with you guys, and if there's anything that you see that I'm getting rid of, I'm either going to donate it or put it on my Poshmark. It kind of depends on the price point of it. So if you see something you like, go check out my Poshmark. I'll have it somewhere here on the screen. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into this closet clean out. So over here in this corner, I have mainly just my like jackets and sweatshirts and stuff like that. Honestly, don't think I'm gonna get rid of any of these. I have like a raincoat, I have lots of denim jackets, which I love. I wear those all the time. And then I just have some winter coats. So these pink pants I think I'm gonna keep. I think they're gonna be super fun for the springtime. These pants are from Urban Outfitters. I absolutely love these. I wear them all the time. They're super, super comfy. Trouser pants, I'm obviously gonna keep these. They're very in style right now. Ooh. These pants are from Boohoo. I have not worn these yet because I haven't really figured out a way to style them. I'm gonna keep these. I'm gonna keep kind of hunting and searching for a way to style them. These pants are another one that I'm keeping. I love these for the fall time. Next pants, I actually just got these in my Shein haul, so I am gonna keep these. These guys are super, super fun. I styled these on my Instagram. I am gonna keep these. Another one from my Shein haul, I just got them. They're super comfortable, and I feel like they're good for like interviews and stuff like that. And then leather pants and trouser pants, going to keep both of these because obviously they are very, very in style right now. So moving on to skirts. This one is from Princess Polly. I think I'm gonna sell this one just because I think it's a little bit too short for me. This skirt is another one from Princess Polly. I think this is a good one for fall, and I am gonna keep this one. This skirt's from Brandy Melville. I bought this at the end of fall. Didn't really get too much of a chance to style it, but I am gonna keep this one. We have this super cute leopard print skirt. I feel like this one's a fun one, so I am gonna keep it. This one I might donate just because it is from Shein, so it's a little bit on the cheaper side. We have the classic leather skirt, which I'm gonna keep. This one's a staple. And then just a plain black skirt with a slit. Okay, moving on to dresses. So this one is from Shein. I haven't really got the chance to wear it yet. I think it's a really fun purpley color, good for spring. So I am gonna keep this one. This dress is super, super cute, but it is a little bit too small for me now. So this one I am gonna sell on my Poshmark. This dress is from Shein. It's super, super stretchy. It's good for really any season, so I am gonna keep this one. This one I am going to sell. Not really my style anymore, and it's really, really short. This one is going to be sold. This one is from Boohoo. It still has the tags on it, but I am gonna sell this one just because it is really, really long on me. This one's gonna get sold. This one is from Urban Outfitters. I'm kind of torn on this one because I think it's really cute. It fits me really well. I don't really wear it anymore. Maybe I just need to find a new way to style it, but I don't want to get rid of it just yet. This one is one of my favorites. It's a romper dress kind of thing from Princess Polly. Super, super cute. They do have a dupe for this on Amazon. It's in my Amazon storefront if you guys want to go check it out, but I really like this one. This guy I just recently bought from Forever 21. It looks like super, super short, but it fits me really good. I think it's a really cute like boho vibe, so I am gonna keep this one. All right, these guys are some of my favorite dresses, like with the cinches on the side. I've talked about them many times in my videos. This one's from Princess Polly. I am going to keep it. This dress is from Shein. I did style it on my Instagram, but it is a little teeny bit too short for me, so this one I am going to sell. This dress is from Hollister. I think is really cute and is fun for like date nights and stuff, so I am gonna keep this one. This one is from Shein. Again, a basic staple, so I'm gonna keep this one. And then this one is a little tiny bodycon dress. I think this one's good for the summer, so I am going to keep this one. All right, moving on to bodysuits. So this bodysuit I have not really worn too much. I'm honestly torn with this one. I'm kind of on the fence, so this might be on my Poshmark, might not. This bodysuit I really like. It's from Forever 21. It's just a very simple, plain bodysuit that honestly goes with anything, so I'm gonna keep that. This one's another one of my favorites. It fits me so well. It's a really, really nice material. I got it from TJ Maxx last year, and I think it's really good for fall. All right, so this bodysuit is from Shein. I really like this one, but honestly, I just bought it to like go out in, and I don't really go out much anymore. So I do think I am going to sell this one. This one is one of those bodysuits with like the peekaboo middle. I think that's really cute for the summertime and a good just basic outfit with a pair of jean shorts. So I am going to keep this one. And then this one I do really like. It fits me really well. Again, it's kind of more of a going out kind of bodysuit, but I am going to keep it just in case. Next, moving into some long sleeve tops. So this one I just bought from Shein. I think it's going to be super fun for the springtime. So this one we're going to keep. This is a really adorable little floral cardigan that I haven't styled yet, so I am going to keep this one. This guy I did just style on my Instagram. I do really like this one as well, so we are going to keep it. This is a nice basic to have from American Eagle. It's really, really soft. I don't wear it too much, but it's nice to just kind of lounge around the house in. This guy is a big oversized sweatshirt. Honestly, I need more of these. And then this cute little brown plaid shirt I am going to keep as well. This one is from Princess Polly. I've had it for a while, but I really like it. I do wear it quite often, so I am going to keep this one. The hanger isn't really sitting on it the best way, but it is a little like caramel colored cardigan. This one's just a basic, so I am going to keep it. This top is from Boohoo. Again, I wore this a lot for going out. Really like how it fits. This guy I just bought, so I am going to keep it. And same with this one and this one as well. This sweater is a little bit too cropped for me, so this one I am going to donate. Another big oversized sweater, super, super long. Honestly, I probably could wear it as a dress, so I am gonna keep this one. This guy I have not worn yet. Material actually is really good on this one, so I am gonna keep it. This one still has the tags attached. I haven't worn this one just because I don't really like how it looks on me, so I am gonna sell this one. My arms are falling off. This one I actually haven't worn in a while, but I really like how this one fits. And then these two are just basic essential tops. I love wearing these like under t-shirts and stuff, so I am gonna keep these. This one is another one I've had for a while, but I haven't figured out how to style it yet, but we'll get there. This one is from Forever 21. I think I might sell this one. I did wear it for a little photo shoot with my boyfriend, but I am going to sell this one. This guy I did just buy, so I am gonna keep it. A cropped black sweater is an essential, so this one's a keep. This one is super, super cute, but it's another kind of like going out style top, so this one I am gonna sell. This one super, super cropped, but I love it. I am gonna keep it. This one honestly just needs to go in the garbage. It just keeps like collecting lint and stuff, and it's at the point where it's just sticking together. So this one is a donate / garbage. This t-shirt I wear all the time. It's from Hollister. I love it. This one I thrifted, but I really like it, so I'm gonna keep it. Urban Outfitters graphic tee. I am gonna keep this one. Another Urban Outfitters graphic I am gonna keep. This graphic tee is from Shein, but I am gonna donate it because I think that the graphic does look a little bit cheap on the front. As you guys can tell, it's a little shiny. These two I am going to put on my Poshmark because honestly, I just don't wear them anymore. This Princess Polly top I think is so cute, but I just don't like the way it fits me, so this one is going to go on my Poshmark. This one, another essential, just a high neck short sleeve top. This guy I am gonna put on my Poshmark. I honestly have never worn this. This one I might cut into a crop top to wear to the gym. We'll see. This one's gonna go on my Poshmark. This one I am going to keep. I'm gonna keep this one as well, and this one I am going to donate. This one I'm gonna put in my gym pile. This one I think is really cute. I really like it. This one is another really cute piece for the springtime. This guy you can't really see at all, but it's just a smocked little tank top, and it is completely open around the back. This one I am gonna sell on my Poshmark. It's from Princess Polly. I just don't like the way that it fits me. This one's great for the springtime, so I am going to keep it. This I'm gonna donate. I'm gonna keep this one, and then this one again I might cut into a crop top for my gym stuff. This I am going to donate. This I'm gonna keep. I really like how this one fits me. This one I am going to keep. This little corset top I am going to keep as well. Just a plain basic I'm gonna keep. This one I'm gonna donate. And then this one, you guys definitely cannot tell what this looks like, but I do really like this top. This one, a really cool piece for the fall and winter time. I am going to keep it. This one is from Princess Polly. I am going to sell it just because I don't wear it enough. This one is a one shoulder piece. I am gonna keep it. I don't even know what this one is. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure this one out later just because I don't even know what it looks like. This guy is a little bandeau top, so we are gonna keep this one. This one I am gonna donate just because it does look a little weird on me. This one I am going to keep, and same with this one. With my sweatshirts and stuff, I'm not gonna go through that with you guys just because most of them I'm gonna be donating because they're honestly not even worth putting on my Poshmark anymore because they're so worn. I also have already gone through my gym clothes, so those will be on my Poshmark as well if you guys are interested. Honestly, got rid of quite a bit of stuff, so if you guys are interested in any of this stuff, then go ahead and head on over to my Poshmark. If you guys liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.